Imagine a world where delivery trucks, supply chains, and even public transit systems take the most efficient routes every time, saving time, cutting costs, and improving our daily lives. Thanks to AI, that world is becoming a reality. Let's unpack how AI brings this magic to life. Data analysis. AI loves data. Imagine the massive amounts of information AI systems sift through. Traffic patterns, weather conditions, road closures, historical delivery times, you name it. This data helps AI understand how these factors affect travel times and route efficiency. AI systems analyze all elements and create a complete, real-time picture of what's happening on the roads. It's like having a bird's-eye view of every possible scenario and then calculating the best route for each unique situation. Machine learning algorithms. These algorithms don't just sit idle. They actively learn from past data to improve route predictions. It's like a driver who knows every shortcut and every traffic-heavy zone based on years of experience. But unlike a human, these algorithms can analyze thousands of past trips and adapt quickly to any changes. Let's say there's construction on a common delivery route, or a new freeway opening. AI systems will learn and incorporate these updates. Dynamic routing. Think of it as real-time flexibility. Traditional routes are often fixed, but with dynamic routing, AI can adjust the course on the fly based on current conditions. Picture a delivery driver who suddenly hits heavy traffic. The AI can redirect them instantly to a less congested route, minimizing delays. For delivery services, this is a game changer. Cost efficiency. Now, who doesn't want to save money? That's where the cost efficiency of AI-driven route optimization comes in. By calculating the best routes, AI minimizes fuel consumption, cuts travel time, and lowers operational costs. For businesses, these savings can add up fast. It's a win-win for businesses and consumers alike. Multi-stop optimization. Imagine a delivery driver with 20 stops on their route. AI considers delivery windows, vehicle capacity, and customer priorities to ensure they hit every stop in the optimal order. It's like a complex puzzle, and AI solves it with ease, creating a smooth journey that gets packages where they need to be. On time, every time. Simulation and scenario analysis. Imagine if a logistics manager could test a route before a truck even hits the road. AI allows for simulations where various factors are tested: cost, time, and customer satisfaction to determine the most efficient approach. It's like testing a recipe multiple times to make sure it's perfect before serving it up. With scenario analysis, logistics managers get a preview of possible outcomes, enabling them to choose the best route for each day's demands. Integration with IoT. AI systems connect with IoT devices like GPS trackers and sensors in vehicles, allowing for continuous data flow from the road to the central system. These IoT connections mean that data on traffic, fuel levels, and even the driver's real-time location are updated instantly. It's like adding another set of eyes that's constantly feeding information back to the AI system, which then makes smarter, faster routing decisions. User experience. When AI optimizes routes, customers get the advantage of knowing exactly when to expect their deliveries. It reduces the frustration of waiting and wondering, which improves satisfaction and makes logistics companies look good. This level of reliability and transparency builds trust between businesses and customers. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon so you could never miss new updates from us. Thank you for watching, and we will meet you in the next one.